So now I'm about to grease the bearings on my Casita trailer. I take one of my stabilizing jacks I use when camping. Make sure I put it underneath the correct bar on the frame there. That is the bar that supports the wheel. And I'm going to crank it, get the wheel just off the ground. Now with it jacked up, you can see that the wheel just turns a little bit. That'll aid in getting the grease into the bearing correctly. Now I get out my lube gun. It's better to use the hard end, the solid end, to pump the grease into the wheels, not the flexible one that comes with grease guns as well. I'm using a multi-purpose grease that meets all of the specs that ZLubeAxles require. It's an extreme pressure, high temperature grease. Takes two of them, one for each wheel. I'm going to load the grease into the grease gun. Okay, we'll unscrew the top of the grease gun from the top. Pull the plunger all the way back. That's all the way back. We'll take the grease, remove the lid. This goes in first where it's opened. Goes down, and then push that down, pop the top like this, and then put the lid back on. Now screw that in tight like that. Just tighten it up. That's very good. I'm going to get a paper towel. I'll need some more of these for when I'm out there. I'll release the plunger. Push. That puts it in. And then I'm going to crank a little until I see some grease come out. There we go. You see the grease come out. We're good to go. The next step is to take the little grease cover off, the little plastic cover. Take a screwdriver and just get it underneath there and pull that back. That's the old grease that's in there. And we're going to then get our new grease gun. We'll clean this up and we'll go from there. Okay, the next step is to push in grease until all the old grease is pushed out. So we'll pump in new grease. Alright, we're going to keep pumping until the old grease is all pushed out. As you can see, it's being pushed out as I'm spinning the wheel. New grease is pushing in the back and forcing the old out. Spinning the wheel equally distributes the grease in the bearing. And spinning in a counterclockwise direction keeps the grease fittings where they're attached to the grease gun from coming undone. Now, when the grease is about to fall like that, take one of the paper towels and you grab that old grease. Put it in the trash and then keep going. You'll know you got new grease all in the bearings when the darker color is replaced by the fresh new red color. Okay, we now have all fresh new grease coming out of the fitting. Wipe off the excess. Good clean color there. fitting off. Clean that real good. We're going to take our old fitting, remove the darker previous grease out of it, clean it real well, and we'll snap it back in place. There we go.
Please share your comments below and click the subscribe button. Thank you.